Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Zulay Kitchen Pineapple Cutter and Core and 3 things you need to know. This is made, thing number one, this is made with high quality 430 stainless steel. So it's not going to be something you got to worry about it rusting or staining. That's a pretty decent grade of steel because I've seen this used in quite a few things. Thing number 2. There's a serrated blade at the bottom, and that's what you're going to see right there. And that is what goes right into the core. Now you're not going to, when you cut off the top of your pineapple, which you're going to cut under where the crown comes out, just into the top of the pineapple, you'll probably want to come down about a ½ inch to maybe a full inch, depending on your size of your pineapple. And then you'll center that serrated core as best you can over the middle of the pineapple, and you'll see very quickly where it's gonna have to get set. And then just start pushing down, and as you turn, make a little bit of a turn each time. So you push down and turn, push down and turn. This will let you do the pineapple the way you want it to. Thing number 3, this is suitable for both home cook and professionals. So as you get all the way down to the bottom of the pineapple, and with the blade being at an angle, it's going to automatically set it up so you slice on one side of the ring, slice it all the way down, and you will have a very nicely cored pineapple. You can either eat it with your fingers, you can put it in a fruit salad, or whatever you want to do, but it's going to be very easy to do and takes you just a couple minutes. You may take 1 or 2 to get practice up to get a feel for what to do, but as a general rule, it should not take that long. So look at getting one of these today, and you're gonna have some fun with getting some nice fresh pineapple.